firms also demand for part of our goods and services that we produce here. Also, they buy imported stuff. So their investment expenditure is spent on imports as well. The government does the same thing when the government spends on goods and services for public consumption as well as public investment. Both are supply sources. So we have imports and domestic output. Therefore, we write our aggregate demand in this way, because this is our supply side. We have imports plus Y, and this is our demand side. And demand side, now foreign countries, they also demand for their consumption, their investment, and their government spending, part of our produce, and which we call exports. So you can see imports are included on the supply side and exports on the demand side. Now we can rearrange our equation accordingly like this. So this is our aggregate demand now. Aggregate demand. So X minus M, we have in some of the textbooks, we call it net exports. But actually, you can also call it trade balance. Net exports. So sometimes we will be using this term NX. So remember, NX means X minus M. Before we come to aggregate demand, there are a lot of things that ingredients, the basic stuff that we need to understand. One of them is exchange rate. So whenever we talk about foreign exchange market, we need to have exchange rate analysis also. What is exchange rate? It is the rate at which domestic and foreign currency